Here is Mahima Chaudhary from the Vidyanjali International School, 12th Humanities, with my Physical Education Art Integrated project. My topic is
Obesity. Obesity is a disorder which involves excessive body fat that increases the risk of health problems. Obesity often results from taking in more calories that are burned by exercise and normal daily activities. Obesity is a medical condition in which excess body fat has accumulated to an extent that it may have a negative effect on health. People are generally considered obese when their body mass index is over than 30 or equal to 30. At an individual level, a combination of excessive food energy intake and lack of physical activity is thought to explain most cases of obesity. There are various causes of obesity. Obesity is generally caused by eating too much and moving too little. If you consume high amount of energy, particularly fat and sugars, but do not burn off the energy through the exercise and physical activities, much of surplus energy will be stored by body as fat. Intake of high calories, poor diet, lack of physical activities, genetics, medical reasons, smoking, intake of alcohol, diabetes, sleeping too much, all these contribute to the obesity. Now we will be going to talk about the symptoms of obesity. The symptoms include excess body fat accumulation, particularly around the waist, shortness of breath, sweating, snoring, trouble sleeping, skin problems like fold of skin, inability to perform simple physical tasks, fatigue, pain, particularly in back and joints, psychological impact like negative self-esteem, depression, shame, social isolation, etc. are the symptoms of obesity. In children, obesity can lead to eating disorders, poor self-esteem, orthopedic problems such as flat feet, high cholesterol level are likely to occur with obesity in children. Obesity can sometimes become complicated. At that time, it results to stroke, cancer, kidney diseases, gallbladder disease, hernia. But obesity can be treated. There are some tips which can be helpful to cure obesity. These are: first, dietary changes. Dietary change is very necessary for an obese person because one reason why excess weight and fat accumulate is when a person consumes more calories than they use. Over time, this can lead to weight gain. An obese person should avoid junk food, oily food, high calorie intake, sugar, and increase the consumption of whole grain and other high fiber food such as fresh fruits and vegetables. This can help a person to lose weight. There should be daily routine physical activity in the lifestyle of an obese people because physical activity and exercise are the very good way of losing weight and curing obesity. This can include walking, swimming, using stairs instead of lift, cycling, skipping, and many more. Yoga and meditation is also very helpful in curing obesity. Yoga can play an important role in treating obesity. Yoga technique affect the internal organ, endocrine gland, brain, mind, and other factors concerning the body. Overweight people have an increased risk of blood pressure, heart diseases, and other illnesses. Losing weight reduces the risk. There are many yoga postures or asanas that can help with weight reduction. These are Surya Namaskar or the sun salutation, Mayurasana, Bhujangasana or cobra pose, Matsyasana or fish pose, Pranayam. All these are very beneficial to cure and reduce overweight. So this was all about obesity. Now we should all come forward and take a step to make India physically, emotionally, socially, and psychologically fit. Thank you.